So this should be plus or minus 10%, and it only goes up to 25%. If it goes above 10% plus or minus, it'll fail. And this is the fuel injection supply system, group 107. So we go test, and this will do a test on the air fuel mixture. As you can see, it's gone straight up to 25, which is bad. You'll see on the right it'll carry on doing a test, and there you go, system not okay. So with this car, it's got misfire cylinder 2, higher revs, PCV failed previous owner and was replaced, and I've been in touch with the previous owner, and it appears when the PCV failed, it also blew the rear main seal out, and it wasn't worth his time and money to replace it, so he sold it on. Unfortunately, I've bought the car now and didn't know about it. So we've got 107. If we now log that, so this will start recording. So that's recording now, and what we're looking at is changing that value, because at the minute the engine throttle is basically trying to add more fuel because there's an air leak somewhere, and if it's the main seal, we can do this test. So, using something like this petrol based product, we've got the breather hole between the engine and the gearbox, and the rear main seal is in there. It's the only seal that goes between the gearbox and the engine. So if we spray that for a few seconds, there you go, lots of oil in there. You'll see that because the air's been replaced with a petroleum product, it's now adjusting the fuel mixture as if there wasn't a leak. And then once it's used up that spray, it'll just gradually return back to the maximum logged of 25%. There you go, proves that the rear main seal's gone.